Hello students, welcome to Sumaya English Primary School Class 6 and the subject is Maths, and today we are going to see the chapter 15 and the name of the chapter is Triangles and their Properties. So here first we will see about the triangles and their properties. Everyone knows what is mean by the triangles. That means in the triangles there are three parts of the triangles is there. That is vertices, sides and the angles. So now we will see the different types of triangles on the basis on the sides. Means according to the sides there are three types of triangles. Now here we will see the first triangle. That means a triangle all the three sides are equal. That means the triangle PQR. PQR. That means when all the three sides are equal, that triangle is known as the equilateral triangle. Means all the three sides are equal. That is known as the equilateral triangle. When two equal sides, means when a triangle have the two sides equal, that is known as the isosceles triangle. That is known as the isosceles triangle. And the triangle which with no two sides equal, means the two sides are not equal, means all the three sides are totally different. That is known as the scalene triangle. So according to the sides, we have seen the triangles have been divided into three things. That is the equilateral, all the three are equal, all the three sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, that means the two equal sides, means the two sides should be equal and one is different, that means the isosceles. And scalene triangle means all the three sides are not equal with each other, that means with no two sides equal. So now the types of triangles has been divided, that means based on the angles. First it was about the sides. According to the sides, the triangles has been divided. Now according to the angles, based on the angles, the types of triangle is there. Here also the three types of triangles we will see here. Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means a triangle with all three acute angle. That means we will see here. See, this is the acute angle. And the one right angle is a right angle. That means here one is the 90 degree. Here is the acute, means below the 180 degree. 180 degree is there, 90 degree is there, 360 degree is there. That is known as the three different types of angles we can see here. This types of angle, that is less than 180 degree, we can say it is the acute angle. Right angle triangle, that means the 90 degree. That means with one right angle is a right angle triangle. And obtuse angle triangle means with one obtuse angle. With one means, see, it is the slanting. That means it goes the more than 90 degree. Here, one obtuse, all the three acute. Means all the three acute angle. When all the three are acute angle, that is known as acute angle triangle. If one is 90 degree also right angle, that is a right angle. And here one angle is also obtuse, that means the obtuse angle triangle. So according to this basis, we will see here is also some notes is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the length of the third sides. It is a fact thing. Whenever we will see the two sides of the angle's length is always greater than on the third sides. It is always greater than the third sides. So here is the practice set 36 we will see here. Observe the figures below. See, here the exercise is given here. Observe the figures below given and write the type of the triangle based on its angle. Now here we are talking about the angle. According to the angle we have to write. See in this figure how it has been given. One angle is the 90 degree right angle. That means this angle is a right angle. And this one is the obtuse. That means more than the 90 degree. 125 degree, that is the one obtuse angle. So triangle XYZ is an obtuse angle. So see this type of angle, this is an acute angle triangle. Triangle LMN is an acute angle triangle. That means it is less than the 90 degree. 70, 48 less than 90 degree acute, more than 90 degree obtuse, and exactly 90 degree, that is the right angle triangle. So the next question is we will see. We have to write the type of the triangle based on its sides. Which three sides we have seen? Equilateral, isosceles, scalene. So see, all the three sides are equal here. That means all the three sides are equal here. When see one line, that means all the three sides are equal. That means equilateral triangle. Here all the three sides are not equal with each other. This is another, this is another, and this is another. That is known as a scalene triangle. And see, these two sides are equal. First only I have told you, whenever two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. All the three sides are different, scalene, and all the three equal means equilateral triangle. So we will see the question number, next question. Here is been shown the question number 3 also, we can see. Here's Avinash is standing near his house. You can see the figure. He can choose from two roads to go to the school. Two roads are given from where he can go, where it will get the shorter. That means road AC. Here is the road AC is the, here, see this one. Road AC. One more is that from here. So from road AC is shorter because the sum of the length of the two sides, this is the sum of the length of the two sides of the triangle, is always greater than the third side. Means the third side will be the small, and all these two sides always will be the greater from this third side. So Avinash take the shortcut of this AC. That means it is the shorter from these two sides. So we have written in this way. The next question we will see, the length of the sides of the some triangles are given. So we have to say that what type of triangle it is. See, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. That means all the three sides are not equal, different totally. That is the scalene. And 3.4, 3.4 and 5 centimeter. That means two sides are equal, one is not equal. That is the isosceles. In this way we have to do the same thing the next two also. Now next one, fifth questions we will see. I will do one sums and I will show you about this question. The lengths of the three segments are given for the constructing a triangle. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn. Give the reason for your answer. We have to see the three segments is given. We have to constructing a triangle, and we have to say these triangles of these sides can be drawn or not. If not, then we have to give the reason. So first we will write here about the longest side. That means the longest side is how much from these three segments? That is the 70 centimeter. So then afterwards we have to write the remaining of the side. That means the sum is we have to add it down. Sum of the remaining two sides is equal to 7 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is equal to how much it will be? It will be 15 centimeter. Sum means we have to add both the segments. That means both the segments. Now what happened? This is 15 and this is 17. That means this one is the longest. That means this is the greater. We cannot draw the triangle here. That means we will just see how we have written here. So sum of the two sides of a triangle is not greater than the longest side. This is the longest side 17 and this is 15. That means it is less, it is greater. That means it is not greater. So it is not greater than the longest side. Longest side. So therefore we cannot draw a triangle. I hope so. The points are clear. The remaining sums you have to do in the same thing. Clear? I hope so. The points are clear. Thank you.